Hey guys, it's Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. Today is the 19th of September, and we're going to do another price prediction. For this one, we're going to do a stock. We're going to do Under Armour, the clothes, the athletic clothes. So we're going to take a look at it. I see some potential for decent profits. So I'm going to share that with you guys. But for those of you guys that are new, I jump into trades and I let you know my entry point and what my exit point is. And more often than not, it usually will swing up and touch that exit point. It's just a matter of a waiting game. Okay. So you don't have to stress. I'm letting you know where the dip is. Okay. So if that's something you're interested in, or maybe you want to keep watching, you're going to want to keep watching because you haven't seen some of this stuff before. Okay. Trust me. I promise you. And we're going to have another Thin Men's Wallet giveaway this next Sunday. So because you guys are into finances, you guys are into investing, what a better raffle to give away each week for free to you guys. And I'll ship it to you for free to you guys. And it's going to be, I just gave away this one. I just gave away this one to a lucky winner. And it's a silver one. It's a Thin Men's Wallet. Hold on, let me get the other one. The other one's black. So we're going to do black for this next Sunday, okay? So if you guys are interested in entering into this drawing, I will give this away to one lucky winner. It's simple to do. All you guys have to do is look down below the video. There's a thumbs up icon down below. Give it a thumbs up, tap it with your finger, click it with your mouse, and then somewhere in the comments down below, just add the word Under Armour, okay? And I like Under Armour. I haven't worn it in a while, but I love it. Or I wear it at the gym every day. So just add that in and you'll be entered in on the drawing this next Sunday. Okay. So let's go ahead. We're going to take a look at the price prediction. Keep this sucker going. All right. Hold on. Is that it? That's it. Okay. Hold on. There we go. Okay. So Under Armour, here it is, guys. You guys have probably seen this logo over here. If some of you guys aren't from the US, then you may not be familiar with it, but let's go to images so you can see what I'm talking about here. So Under Armour is an athletic apparel company, and we're going to be doing a stock prediction on these guys, okay? So let's go over here to the chats. Here you go. So for those of you guys that are new, what I do is I jump into trades. I let you guys know. I draw these lines coming in here. I draw all these little bases, and more often than not, what happens is once price action breaks that base, it'll usually go down, it'll linger, it'll hang out for a while, and then it'll come up for air and it'll touch that line. Sometimes it goes above it. Sometimes it just touches it and goes right back down. But I'm going to show you guys, okay? So it broke this base right here, came down, and swung back up. It broke right there and came down, swung back up. It broke that one and swung back up. It broke that little one right there and swung back up. It broke right there and swung back up. It broke right there and came back up. That one. And then it broke here, almost came right back up over here. It broke there and came up, okay? But look, it broke there. It almost came back up in here 3 times. And then what did it do? It finally came back up over here. So every one of these trades, guys, you would have been able to make money because you knew where the dip was, right? They always say, buy the dip, ride it up. So let's keep going. All right. So if this is something you guys haven't seen before, do one of these down below, okay? One of the thumbs ups. All right. So this is kind of where we're at right now, all right? This is kind of, it broke right there, it came back up, it broke right there and came back up, it broke right there and came back up. So we're kind of in this area here of like no man's land. But based upon, let me see here, let me do that. We're kind of in this area of no man's land. So based upon price action, all these times where it broke down and came back up, I feel comfortable that it's going to be coming back up. All right, so let's go ahead. We'll take a look. I've done some calculations. Here's my spreadsheet. For those of you guys that watch me every week, you'll recognize this. What I do is I created a spreadsheet. I do this to get a feel for how much I want to invest. And I'll be jumping into this one tomorrow because right now it's 10 p.m. So the stock market's not open. But what I do is I come in here and I change these around. I might say 100. I might say 500. I might say 2,000, whatever it is, okay? And what happens is I put in the entry price. So right now it is at 753. It ended the day at 753. So I've got that. So if I can get that in the morning, I'll be good or somewhere around that. But I see for a quick take profit, 1069, guys. And look at what that would be. So $100 would make me 41, $500 would make me 209, and $2,000 would make me 839. So I'm making roughly 42% of my money. Okay. So let's go take a look. Where is 1069? Look how close it is. 753 to 1069. So let's go over here. We'll take a look. A little look-see. All right. So if you guys have not subscribed yet, please do. There's a little red button over here. And click the bell when it pops up so that you're notified. And if you guys are thinking about jumping into any other stocks or coins, let me know. I might do a video like this for you before you buy so you can see if you're buying in the dip. Sometimes people ask me and I say, don't do it. I don't see the dip. And, I probably just saved them some money. Okay, so let's go over here. And remember, guys, this isn't advice. It's just the way I trade and it works for me. Okay, so 1069 was what we said. So that is right there, right in that range right there. So it doesn't take that long to jump up. It came back up here on August 17th, came back up here in June. Okay, so it doesn't take that long. All it has to do is do a little swing back up. And there has been some news on it today. Let's see. Top financial gainers right here, Under Armour, right there. It's been jumping up today and it's got some news on it too. Let's go take a look. Under Armour right here. Shares acquired by Teachers Retirement System in the state of Kentucky, which caused it to jump up. So let's go back over here. I do see it coming up a little bit higher too. That's a long-term hold. But for me, because the whole market's kind of up and down, I see that as a potential quick little hit and jump out. All right, so let's play with these numbers here. Here's some other ones right here. You guys can take a photo of this if you want. So 1069 was the first one. Let's go see what 1173 does. 1173, that would give you 56% on your money. And 1941 up at the top. That's the top of the swing back. I don't set my take profit above that. I set it between 1069 and 1941, somewhere in that range. And it's a matter of sitting back and waiting and just letting it come back around. You can always change it. You know, if it gets up, if you're waiting for the 1941 and it's been 8 months, and you're like, oh my God, well, jump in and take profit. Or, you know, just as long as you're within this range, 1069, 1941, okay? And this is for the foreseeable future. Once it hits 1941, then the whole game changes, okay? It's a whole new setup. All right, so at 1941, my $2,000 would give me $3,155. If I did 1,000, let's say some of you guys don't want to put 2,000 in, there you go. It gives you 1,577. So somewhere in that range. I hope that helps you guys. If you guys want a copy of this spreadsheet so you can do an analysis before you guys jump into coins or stocks, head over to my Instagram channel. It's called Investing Points with an S. You can also, if you don't have Instagram, you can follow me over at TikTok or Twitter. You guys can follow me over there, and I'll be posting quick little price predictions over there also. And if you want a copy of this spreadsheet right here, I will email it to you for free. All you have to do is on my Instagram channel, send me a DM and say, hey, Ryan, can you email me the spreadsheet? And I will email it to you guys for free, okay, for gratis. Okay, thanks guys for watching. I'm going to upload this video. It'll be available on Tuesday morning, and I wish you guys good luck. All right, let me know if you have any comments down below on anything you guys are doing or thinking about. All right, bye guys.